How to care for miniature potted Christmas trees. They are the centerpiece on holiday party tables, with their foil-wrapped pots and dinky decorations. They cram the shelves in the floral section of the supermarket. Miniature potted Christmas trees are everywhere during the holidays. Generally 18 to 24 inches in height, these pint-sized conifers suffer the brutal fate of being tossed in the garbage by folks that don't realize some are easily planted in the garden to grow into big, beautiful Christmas trees. In maturity, they require little care if given lots of attention while young, and in the pot. Things you will need. Nursery pot. Potting soil. Wait until the plant has acclimated to your home to repot. Many of these Christmas trees are root-bound and need fresh, new soil, so transplant it into the next size pot in quality potting soil 3 to 4 weeks after bringing it home. Keep the miniature Christmas tree away from drafts and radiators or other heat sources that may dry the foliage. Desiccation is the #1 killer of those small trees. Place the miniature potted Christmas tree in a cool area of the house. Although the floral industry markets several types of trees from rosemary to Italian stone pine, most require cool temperatures. Guard against sudden changes in temperature. Keep the soil slightly moist, unless the tree is rosemary. In that case, allow the soil to almost dry completely before watering. Remove the foil wrapping around the pot when watering or immediately after. The wrapping holds the water that drains from the pot. This may be sucked up by the tree's roots and cause root rot.